Hello and welcome to another episode of Sebastian's Hits. Today we have a really fun one. I was able to get my hands on some hanger packs of some older sets. We have Sword and Shield base set, which came out in 2020. Big chase card out of here is of course the Marnie full art and the Marnie secret art, both of which have gone down drastically from their crazy high prices from even a year ago. Couple other ones is definitely the Snorlax VMAX, both the regular and the Rainbow Rare, and also the Gold Zamazenta and Zacian as well. And then I have 2 packs of Rebel Clash, and then the big chase card I here is of course the full art Boss's Orders with good old Giovanni. So yeah, let's see what we can pull today. Start with Sword and Shield base. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate it. Hope to bring some more WWE stuff in the future as well, and have some other videos lined up as well. All right, first pack of the day. Let's start with Lightning. Ooh, fighting. Haven't opened a lot of Sword and Shield base. Ball Toy. Pawnard is our reverse, and first card is a foil Oranguru. Interesting. All right. Pack number 2. There's that Snorlax art that I was talking about. Water? Ooh, steel. Galarian Zigzagoon as our reverse, and a regular rare Raichu. Alright, it's nothing too crazy out of those, but we do have our 2 Rebel Clash packs. I might be able to get some more of these, it all really depends. But I was very just surprised seeing them just chilling there at regular price, nothing too crazy. Let's do Fire. Ooh, Psychic. I'm just off completely today. Stuffle. Coughing. Impent as Shinx. Honedge as our reverse, and a Ninetales regular rare. Alright. Last pack magic. Oh, this one's kind of hard. There we go. Hopefully maybe something good is in here. If they added some extra glue, hopefully. That'd be cool. I definitely don't think these were resealed or anything like that. They didn't seem like it. Let's do steel. Hey, all right, pats on back. Luxio. Honedge. Impidimp. Magmar. Electabuzz. Svovitz. Galarian. Runrigus. As our reverse rare, and whoop, a regular rare Unfezant. Alright, so yeah, nothing at all out of these packs, but that's alright. There's only 4 packs. We did get a foil Oranguru, so at least there's that. But All right, if you enjoyed today's quick little Pokemon opening, definitely do all the YouTube stuff down below. And as always, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.